Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to search AliExpress by image. So open AliExpress on your phone, and at homepage at the top of your screen you should see this camera icon right here in the searching box. So you want to tap it, then you should allow access to your camera and allow access to your photos. So tap this allow album access, go to settings, enter photos section, and you can select which photos you would like to display. So I will allow, for example, full access. Go back to AliExpress, tap this camera icon, and pick a photo from your gallery that you would like to search, like this, and it will show you similar items that are on your photo. And also you can adjust this frame, and search just like that, and it will show you similar items. So that's how you can search on AliExpress by image. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.